To DJ's Prestige and Sports, we've just acquired this lovely Audi A5 2-litre TDI. It's just come into stock. It's in lovely condition. It's in grey. It's got the front park distance control, alloy wheels. It's a Sportback with 5 doors. Rear park distance control. Lovely huge boot area space. Twin exhaust. It's just brought out here for pictures and video. We'll go back into that indoor showroom. We've got full leather interior, electric windows, electric mirrors. Nice spec as well. It's got satellite navigation. Started off, it's done 91,577 miles. It's got cruise control, 3-stage heated seats, climate control, multimedia, Bluetooth connectivity, all your vehicle driver settings as well there. DJH have full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.